How to stop sharing messages between your iPhone and your iPad. So if you're seeing your iMessages on your iPad, I'm going to show you how to turn off and disable this feature. Now there's two settings we need to change. So the first thing you need to do is come over to your iPhone and just go and load up your settings. You can then scroll right down to the bottom of the page and click on Apps. Scroll down again until you see Messages and go and click on this. Now scroll down to Text Message Forwarding and go and click on this. Now if you see your iPad from any of these devices, then make sure this is turned off and disabled. Now once you've turned off the text message forwarding to your iPad, we're just going to unlock our iPad like so. You can then go and open up the settings on your iPad, scroll down to the bottom and click on Apps, and then scroll down again to Messages and go and click on this. Now just make sure iMessage is turned off and disabled. And once you've done this, there's one more setting we need to go and change. So in the left-hand navigation, scroll back up to the top and click on your profile name. Now select iCloud and click on Messages. Where it says Use on this iPad, make sure this is turned off and disabled. And once you've turned off these settings, it will stop sharing messages between your iPhone and your iPad.